What is the unity and struggle of opposites? Have you ever wondered how change happens in society? The concept of the unity and struggle of opposites offers a fascinating answer. This idea is a key part of dialectical materialism, which serves as the philosophical backbone of socialism. It tells us that every phenomenon, object, or process contains two opposing forces that are connected and depend on each other. These opposites exist together but are also in a constant state of conflict, which drives change and development. At its essence, this principle explains that contradictions are not separate or static. Instead, they coexist within a single reality, shaping its dynamics. This means that progress occurs through the tension and resolution of these opposing forces, rather than through simple accumulation or repetition. In the context of society and history, the class struggle is a clear example of this principle. The conflict between the proletariat, or working class, and the bourgeoisie, or capitalist class, illustrates this idea well. These two classes are united within the capitalist system but are fundamentally at odds because their interests cannot be reconciled. This contradiction is what propels social change, ultimately leading to a transformation towards socialism. Let's break it down further. The unity aspect means that opposites relying on each other for their existence. They form a whole and cannot be understood in isolation. On the other hand, the struggle aspect indicates that these opposites are in constant conflict, which causes movement, change, and development. You can find contradictions everywhere, in nature, society, and thought. They are the driving force behind all processes. This principle rejects simplistic views of development as mere quantitative change. Instead, it emphasizes qualitative transformation through conflict. In practical terms, this law guides socialist analysis and strategy. It helps identify the key contradictions within capitalism and society that must be resolved to achieve socialism. For instance, the contradiction between the social nature of production, where many workers collectively produce goods, and the private ownership of production means, where capitalists own and profit from workers' labor, is central to understanding capitalism's instability. This contradiction highlights the need for revolutionary change. The unity and struggle of opposites explains how contradictory forces within a system coexist and conflict, driving continuous change. This concept is essential for understanding historical development, social dynamics, and the path towards socialism.